In this video, we'll show you what to do if the incoming calls are going straight to the voicemail on your iPhone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now here you will first need to enable this airplane mode toggle. Now simply wait for a couple of seconds and then turn it off. So this will refresh your iPhone's network connection and hopefully fix any temporary issues. Additionally, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on focus. Now here make sure you haven't enabled any of these focus modes, that is do not disturb, personal, sleep or any other focus mode. You can also open the quick settings panel and then enable or disable focus mode from here as well. So make sure to turn all of them off. Additionally, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now in this list you will need to find the phone app. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now here you will need to scroll down and go to the screen unknown callers section. Now here make sure you have selected never. Additionally, go to this blocked contacts option. Now make sure you haven't accidentally blocked an important contact on your iPhone. If you have, what you need to do is simply swipe left on it and then select unblock. So hopefully this will fix the problem and stop your incoming calls from going to voicemail. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to go to general settings on your iPhone. Now here you will need to scroll all the way down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here select reset option and then select reset network settings. So this will hopefully fix the problem for good. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.